In a moment of immense joy and celebration for the fans of 1000 LB Sisters, the Slayton Halterman family has welcomed a precious new addition to their growing clan, a healthy baby boy. The news broke earlier this week and has since sent waves of excitement throughout the reality TV community, with fans flooding social media with congratulations, well wishes, and emotional messages of support. This joyful milestone marks another chapter in the complex, often turbulent, but deeply human journey of Amy Slayton and Michael Halterman, whose lives have unfolded before millions of viewers across multiple seasons of the hit TLC series. The baby boy, whose name has not been officially confirmed at the time of reporting, was born at a hospital near the family's hometown in Kentucky, reportedly surrounded by close family members and supportive medical staff. According to sources close to the family, both mother and baby are in good health. The delivery went smoothly, and Amy is said to be recovering well. Fans who have followed Amy's path from her weight loss struggles to becoming a loving mother have been eagerly awaiting news of the new arrival. Many remember the emotional journey she took during her first pregnancy with Gage, a moment that symbolized hope, healing, and progress for someone who was once told that motherhood might be out of reach due to her health challenges. Since her public weight loss journey began, Amy Slayton has undergone a remarkable transformation, not only physically, but emotionally and mentally. Her path has not been easy. Viewers of 1000 LB Sisters have seen Amy at her most vulnerable, battling obesity, confronting family trauma, enduring personal heartbreak, and fighting for her independence. Despite these hardships, she emerged with a determination to create a better life for herself and her children. This new baby represents not just a personal achievement but also a symbol of resilience for many fans who see themselves reflected in her struggles and triumphs. The dynamic between Amy and her sister Tammy has also played a pivotal role in the family's evolution. As the show progressed, fans witnessed their relationship being tested under the weight of medical emergencies, codependency, and the pressure of fame. While Tammy's own health battles often took center stage, Amy's quieter but equally profound narrative unfolded in the background. Her commitment to becoming a healthier version of herself, her dream of becoming a mother, and her desire to build a stable family life with Michael. This new baby is the culmination of those dreams, and it marks a new chapter in Amy's life, one that focuses on motherhood, healing, and hope. For Michael Halterman, the journey has been equally transformative. A relatively private figure compared to Amy, Michael has often been portrayed as the stable, dependable partner whose calm presence provided much-needed balance in the often chaotic Slayton household. His support throughout Amy's pregnancy, and during her early days of motherhood with Gage, earned high the respect of many viewers. With the arrival of his second child, Michael once again steps into the role of a devoted father, facing the challenges and rewards of parenthood with quiet strength and unwavering commitment. The announcement of the new baby has also reignited interest in the current status of the couple's relationship. Rumors have circulated in recent months regarding possible tension between Amy and Michael, with some speculating about their separation. While neither party has officially confirmed or denied these reports, insiders suggest that the couple remains focused on co-parenting and providing a nurturing environment for their children, regardless of their marital status. The arrival of the new baby may provide an opportunity for healing and reconnection or could signal a new phase of respectful co-parenting for the well-being of their growing family. Social media has been abuzz since the baby news broke, with fans posting heartfelt messages, artistic fan edits, and handmade gifts in tribute to the Slayton Halterman family. On platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, hashtags like #SlaytonBaby, #AmSlaytonMomLife, and number 1000 LB Sisters Baby have trended, reflecting the depth of public affection for Amy and her family. Many fans who have followed Amy's journey from the very beginning have expressed how deeply personal this moment feels to them, almost as if they are celebrating the birth of a child within their own circle. Amy herself has shared only a few brief messages since the birth, including a short video clip showing baby clothes and a touching caption thanking her supporters. Known for being emotionally transparent with her fans, it's expected that Amy will share more details about her birth experience, her recovery, and her hopes for her new baby in the coming weeks, perhaps even in the upcoming season of 1000 LB Sisters. or in a YouTube vlog, where she has historically shared many intimate life updates. Beyond the celebrations, the birth of Amy's second child also brings new challenges. Balancing the demands of caring for two young children while navigating the realities of fame, health maintenance, and potential relationship issues will undoubtedly test Amy in new ways. But those who know her story believe that if anyone can rise to meet these challenges, it is Amy Slayton. Her journey has never been linear or easy, but it has always been marked by a quiet strength, a deep love for her family, and a persistent belief that better days are possible. The new baby boy's arrival has also had a noticeable emotional impact on the extended Slayton family. Sources say Tammy Slayton, now in a more stable place physically and emotionally following her dramatic health crisis and subsequent rehab, was among the first to visit the newborn. Tammy reportedly expressed joy and tearful pride in seeing her sister become a mother once again. The sisters' relationship has experienced highs and lows over the years, but moments like these serve as powerful reminders of their enduring bond. Despite the arguments, disagreements, and emotional clashes, the love between Amy and Tammy remains a cornerstone of the 1000 LB sisters narrative. More extended family members, including Amanda, Mishti, and Chris Combs, are expected to make appearances in upcoming episodes, likely reacting to the baby's birth and offering their support to Amy. These interactions are often some of the most heartwarming segments in the series, showcasing the oft-and messy but always loving dynamic of the Slayton family. Their candidness, humor, and loyalty to one another have helped the show resonate so strongly with viewers who see reflections of their own family relationships in these moments. As the Slayton-Halterman family adjusts to life with their new baby, questions remain about what the future holds. Will the show continue to follow the family's evolution with the same raw honesty that has captivated audiences from the beginning? Will Amy's growing family become the central focus, or will Tammy's health journey take the spotlight once again? Only time will tell, but for now, fans are simply rejoicing in the miracle of new life and the joy it brings to a family that has shared so much of themselves with the world. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.